Today in the Bite Me More kitchen, you've got Julie and Lisa showing you how to whip up a killer Valentine's Day dessert. Hug me. Oh. Forget the flowers. We have got the tastiest and easiest way to woo your boo. And how's that? We've partnered with Tre Stelle, and Lisa has come up with this unbelievable, heart-stopping dessert.
So the great thing about this brownie is it's a one bowl brownie. I'm gonna take this off so you have nothing to play with, okay? We have melted butter. So you're gonna whisk that with brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
And white sugar.
White sugar.
So whisk that up. And to that, once that's whisked up, we're gonna add our mascarpone cheese. And what is great—
Or as they say in Italia, mascarpone.
I like your accent.
Thank you.
So what's great about this in the brownie is it gives so much moisture. It's a deep, rich flavor. Then we're gonna add our eggs, some vanilla extract, and we have coffee. So
ooh,
that's gonna add a nice—
wake up, baby.
Yeah. Okay, we've added our flour. We have sifted cocoa powder. Watch your little pretty white top with the cocoa powder, please. And baking powder and salt, and that is your brownie recipe. Okay, we're gonna put this into a 13 by 9-inch baking pan. Yeah, I figured that was gonna happen. And bake it in a 350 oven for 25 minutes.
Can I lick the bowl?
Of course. It's all yours.
You're my Valentine.
I know. Oh no, that is not happening right now. Our brownies are ready. While these are cooling, we're gonna make a coffee mascarpone filling.
Mascarpone.
I like the correction. So to make this filling, we're gonna mix together mascarpone with icing sugar. To that mixture, you're gonna add your coffee. We're gonna add half your whipped topping, and it's a nice, light, delicious filling that works perfectly with your brownies. Okay, let's start assembling our brownie cups. Our brownies are cooled down. They've been in the refrigerator for about an hour, and you're gonna take any circle, whatever you have. And we have our circle. So we're gonna take our brownie and we're gonna just cut it in half horizontally. And you're gonna put half into your cup and fill it with some fillings. And then we're gonna put the other brownie on top, and you can put more filling on top of there. And then to finish it off, we've made a chocolate coffee brittle. And this is the simplest brittle to make. You have melted chocolate, some chopped up coffee beans, mix them together, throw them in the fridge, and in about an hour, they'll firm up to that. You have to really use your muscle.
Oh, I broke the brittle.
Well, that's what brittle is, right? Let's just spread the topping and then throw a couple pieces of brittle on top and your dessert is ready. For the full recipe, see below.
And if you like what you see, and we know you do because you rock, press like, press subscribe, check out bitememore.com for more amazing Valentine's Day recipes.
And for more recipes, see trestelle.ca.
For marvelous mascarpone recipes. Tre Stelle. I like the grip you have on the whisk.
Why?
It's very strong.
Aggressive?
Very aggressive.
I know.
Don't mess with her whisk